Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lucore Automotive. Today we are filming a little bit of a behind-the-scenes video on getting... Hang on. What's up, Tim? You bought what? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, yeah, I'll be over in a second. So, yeah. So, time to go check out a new bad decision. So Tim is Tim Neely of Tim's Enthusiast Garage. If you've seen any of our road trip stuff, the 2500 road trip, he was part of that. He was the one piloting the Mercedes SL. He's also the owner or former owner of probably one of the most iconic Lotus Esprits you will ever see. This. Amazing car, turned heads everywhere it went. However, he no longer owned that car. Then he did recently buy a new one, the S4S, which we just did an exhaust upgrade from Southwest Lotus Center. But I guess somebody he knows in the exotic car world had one of these available, and he has apparently purchased a second Lotus Esprit. And it was apparently just dropped off at the auto spa, so we're going to swing down there real quick and see what exactly Tim has purchased. And yeah, we'll see. There's a Range Rover on the car hauler, which is what he traded this gentleman for this Lotus. Tim, what did you get us into again?
Josiah is convinced that it needs to be 1,000 horsepower and just leave it the way it is. Like, leave it totally ratted, but like...
Oh, Lord, what did you buy? Oh!
I love that everyone's standing around like...
We're about to move it. We're getting ready to push it back a little bit.
Yeah, push it back with it.
Infamous Lucore videos.
Yeah, it's about to be...
Oh, dear.
Feel it. Feel it.
I don't want to.
Take it in.
Don't follow me on Instagram.
Oh, my God.
_21.
Dude, there's check this out.
It's like Coleman grill paint.
Yeah, there's nothing... I mean, look, this is like it's burned it totally
Is this
through.
Is this factory paint?
Look at... Yeah. All of it is. Look at this. Look at the shrubbery.
It's got
The shrubbery.
It's got growth.
The shrubs.
The tint looks excellent.
Tent is probably what saved the seats.
Mint condition.
Actually, the seats are really...
The passenger seat's perfect. This one could use a little refinish, but 6 quarts of leather. Okay, 8 quarts.
I got out them things looking brand new.
I think the passenger one definitely will look brand new.
Don't say that. 8 quarts later.
Unless you're gonna do it.
And the door cards too. I could save those.
Yeah, the door cards look good too.
Oh, Timmy.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's heavy. Shock blown.
There's no props in this car. You use a board.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna clear the sunroof.
You gotta take the sunroof out to get the engine cover up?
It's one of those weird Lotus quirks.
Yeah, it's a weird Lotus. Oh boy. Sleep that.
I'm digging the mid-wing thing.
I like the mid-wing.
Motor's in there. It's fine.
Oh, I need to wash my hands. Oh, I need to wash my hands.
So on the scale of bad ideas you've ever had,
This is the worst. My wife is actually ticked. I showed her the picture. She's like, wait, what? How does that ever get better?
we're gonna have to overnight parts from Birmingham. Oh, look at the tint. It's physically coming off the windows.
Vinny was put up here in this.
Was it?
I think so.
I'm gonna go ahead and say this was a questionable decision.
Every Lotus is a questionable decision.
Yes, this one was a questionable decision. Stand here, I'll get the other side. You gotta kind of. Wiggle it just a little bit.
Okay, that's what I was picturing.
Whoa.
Don't breathe the air.
Yeah, don't breathe it.
Now, is that supposed to happen?
Oof. That can go away. That can go away.
Can you please hit it with the tornador?
Ooh, it's got an Alpine CD changer in the back.
We got someone living in there. We got some dirt daubers. We got a squirrel.
Is there a live one?
No, where's the
It's got a brand new titanium battery back there. Which
yeah, 2010.
You want a vacuum?
I want a vacuum.
Autocraft battery. Titanium, which I don't think they even build those anymore.
It's too tall, I think.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, we got lots of dirt daubers.
Good thing it's cold and you're blowing.
Okay. Motor looks mint. Oh, there's.
So other than the home for things,
All right, let's get the Tim Neely positivity spin. Ready, go.
we can make it great again. We can make it great again.
It's got 4 wheels.
I mean,
It's got a turbo.
the belt hasn't been chewed through.
There's some of the original paint right there.
I think we put some brake clean in this bitch and turn it over and see what happens.
I don't know if that's gonna happen right now, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
If it does start up, we can just reverse it back. You don't have to push it.
The mini vacuuming things need to happen here, and I've ruined my Banana Republic.
Yeah, you should probably not take that.
Banana Republic is ruined.
I do regret the fact that I just put on a brand new hoodie before I came over here.
Oh, I got fun for your video.
What could possibly go wrong?
All right. Here's the positive spin. I've seen the positive.
Give it to me.
The positive spin is that they didn't eat through these. They did eat through this. No, that's not even a wire. Great. So none of the wires have been eaten through by Mr. Whoever was here. But the
A little bit of
sheathing
sheathing.
was tasty. And the dirt dauber nests. Yeah. 150 bucks and an oil change and then a new car. And it'll be good to go. It will be good to go. The disassembly is necessary. Like, these are so tight. These need lubricated big time.
Big time.
But I mean, look, there's the turbo.
It's got a turbo.
Scale of 1 to 10. It's a 2. It's a 2. I'll be back. I gotta
So there you go. This is going to be a new project.
shoot any video you want to of this situation.
Yeah.
And just know that we're gonna make it great again.
So there you go. This is going to be Tim Neely's challenge to make this great again. With
I'm gonna post a Patreon link real soon.
with help from yours truly at Lucore Automotive. This will not be a quick project, but there you go. Lotus Esprit 4-cylinder turbo mid-wing car could be pretty cool. It needs a lot of work, but if you're into Lotus Esprits, tag along for this one. Should be interesting. As always, like, comment, subscribe, laugh at us about what we're getting ourselves into. We'll see ya.